Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to dive into how to use object eraser on Samsung. Click on your Samsung gallery, then choose a picture. Now click on the pencil right here, then click on this, then click on object eraser. Let it load. Now you can select anything you want to erase. After selecting, then click on erase. Done. Now let's try this also. Let's erase the snow. Then click on erase. Let's try one more. Let's erase one of the on. Then click on erase. So once you are done, you can click on done. Then click save. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.